everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never heard my voice, my name is London Segree. I create faith, lifestyle, and beauty content here on YouTube, and I'm so happy you finally made it. Today in this video, we're going to be doing a deep clean in my house. We'll be deep cleaning my kitchen, the dining area, as well as a little bit of the living room. Now, I never leave my house, especially my kitchen, this dirty. I know it's a hot behind mess. You ain't got to tell me. But having an unclean house really encourages me to be so unproductive. Ugh. And that anxiety will try to, emphasis on the try, will try to creep in. And I don't want that. But for the sake of this video, I held out on scrubbing every inch of this house. So let's get right on into the video. Without further ado, let's get this place cleaned up. I'm pretty sure a lot of you can relate, but I always find it best to start at the sink because once those dishes are put away and in the dishwasher and just out of my sight, it's like a breath of fresh air. I don't know, but y'all know. If you know, you know. But let me quit running my mouth and just let y'all enjoy the video.
that introduction. We are no longer self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Asking all it all. Yeah, I need all it all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's all it all. Yeah, I need all it all. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you, man, you didn't see it my way. Since I've been gone, I've been
All right, you guys, that was the end of this deep clean. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Anyone with OCD or anyone just needing motivation to get up and clean, organize, and refresh their space. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you like or leave me a little comment. It really helps me out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I mean, you know, if we cool like that. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.